See, actually, this meeting, these people should have condemned Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the Congress leader. It's really surprising that they have not uttered any word, because he was the one to say, Jitni Abadi Utna Hak, that is, rights as per population. And it was, this meeting should have thanked and congratulated Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, stating that Mr. Rahul Gandhi's dream of cutting down the parliament seats to South India will never happen. And it should have congratulated our Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, who said that the delimitation should be based on a pro rata basis. And it is really surprising that all these political parties or the leaders do not understand how the delimitation will happen. Surprisingly, ironically, the DMK, which was part of the 2002 government during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government, the delimitation after the census in 2026, only after 2026 it will happen, it should happen. That is the amendment brought in the bill. Even this, they have forgotten safely just to hide their corruption. See, who all have come? Karnataka is fully soaked in corruption. Tamil Nadu, every second there is corruption happening in all the departments. In Kerala, corruption to the core, even in gold, we have seen the corruption. So all these corrupt forces joining together wants to hide the corrupt activities which is happening now, but they are in a myth, stating that what is going to happen after a year or two, they are in a myth, and stating, assuming that this will happen, that will happen. Who said what? Who spoke about delimitation? Who said that this will happen only like this? The delimitation committee should be set up by the President of India, headed by a retired Supreme Court judge, and no politician will be there except for election commissioners. So it will be concerned with all stakeholders. So there is a big formality, knowing fully well that they want to divide this country in the name of language, in the name of state rights. Now in the name of federalism, they want to divide this country, particularly the DMK.